I have a treat for you. We have a new listing in Argenta. Argenta is one of the most popular neighborhoods in Central Arkansas, and homes rarely come to the market here. I can't wait to show you this gorgeous home. As you enter, you're gonna love the interior. It's an open concept layout, has hardwood floors, 11-foot ceilings, large windows with fluted trim around the doors and windows. I love this kitchen space. It's perfect for hosting friends. It's got tall cabinets, lots of storage, and GE Cafe line appliances. Argenta is what makes this place so special. This back deck is going to be perfect for inviting all of your neighbors and friends over to hang out.